Looking for a better way to work internationally? FedEx Trade Networks provides worldwide freight forwarding solutions with a wide range of options to suit your cost and scheduling needs. We coordinate the transportation modes and carriers that best meet your company's requirements and budget. And we integrate and streamline all the steps from air and ocean freight forwarding to customs brokerage arrangement and trade and customs advisory services. Let's take a closer look. Need air freight forwarding? We have a range of options from airport to airport shipping in 1 to 5 days, and even door-to-door service with FedEx International Direct Distribution Air Solutions that can bypass distribution centers and get your products to multiple destinations quickly. If ocean freight is your challenge, we have a range of choices that suit your needs, with both economy and priority options, whether you have full containers or less than container loads. And we provide door-to-door solutions. But what if you need help getting your shipments from the port or airport to another location? We have you covered with everything from multimodal transportation to distribution and warehousing. Customs and trade regulations can be difficult to navigate for international shipping. We lead the way with cost-effective solutions to help you stay in compliance and keep your shipments moving, all with access to up-to-date tracking information that helps you make more informed decisions. These are just a few of the innovative solutions FedEx Trade Networks can provide your business. Challenge our representatives to show you how we can help you be a successful global player. Contact FedEx Trade Networks today.